ሰላም ሰላም ቤተሰቦች እንደምን አላችሁ? በዛሬው ዕለት 174ኛ ጥያቄን መጀመሪያ ላይ አቀርበላችሁ እና ከዛም ቀጥሎ አሰራሩን እንዴት እንደሆነ እናሳያችሁ ይሆናል። እንደሚታወቀው ይሄ ቻናል ቢክ አካዳሚ የሚለው ዩቲዩብ ቻናል ለስራ ፈላጊዎች እና ለተማሪዎች የሚሆን ቻናል ነው። በስራ ውድድር ፈተና ላይ እና በትምህርት ፈተና ላይ እንደዚሁም በዩኒቨርሲቲ ኤግዚት ኤግዛም፣ ኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም፣ በሌሎችም የስራና የትምህርት ውድድሮች ወይም ፈተናዎች ላይ የሚመጡ የአፕቲቲዩድ ቴስት ጥያቄዎች የሚቀርቡበት ቻናል ነው። በመሆኑም ተማሪዎችና ስራ ፈላጊዎች ከሆናችሁ የዚህ ቻናል ቤተሰብ ብትሆኑ ተጠቃሚ ትሆናላችሁ። ሌሎችም ስራ ፈላጊዎች እንደዚሁም ተማሪዎች ይህን ቻናል እንዳገኙት ቻናሉን ሸር አድርጉላቸው። በመቀጠል ወደ ጥያቄው ነው የምንሄደው። ኦኬ question number 174. Mr. X has $6 more than Mr. Y and $9 more than Mr. Z. All the three have $33 in all. Mr. X has a share of A $7, B $10, C $13, D $16. Here you are given the information. There are three individuals, that means individual X, Y, and Z are given, and Mr. X has $6 more than Mr. Y and $9 more than Mr. Z. Again, all the three individuals, that means X, Y, and Z together have $33, and you are required to find out the share of Mr. X, or the amount of dollars that Mr. X has. First, read the question very carefully and try to work out this question by your own without referring my solution. Then compare your answer with the one that I have just provided. For a while, pause the video and try to search the correct answer by your own. Okay, I hope you get the answer for this question. Now, let me show you how to solve this question step by step. Okay. First, we have three individuals, Mr. X, Mr. Y, and Mr. Z. And let's represent Mr. X by X, Mr. Y by letter Y, and Mr. Z by letter Z. So we have X, Y, and Z individuals. Now let's convert the word problem into mathematical equations. And on the first line, there is an information which says that Mr. X has $6 more than Mr. Y. And you can rewrite this as such. Mr. X, that means X is equal to Y plus 6. And again, Mr. Mr. X again has $9 more than Mr. Z. And again, you can rewrite this as such. X is equal to Z plus 9. So you have X is equal to Y plus 6 and X is equal to Z plus 9. You have just converted the information on the first line into mathematical equation in such a way, and you have X equal to Y plus 6 and X equal to Z plus 9. Then let's equate the two equations. That means we have the equation X is equal to Y plus 6 and again X equal to Z plus 9, and we can equate the two elements together, and we can rewrite Y plus 6 is equal to Z plus 9. Again, collect like terms. Y minus Z is equal to 3, and you can have the first equation as such. Y minus Z is equal to 3, and let's say this as equation 1. Then on the second line, there is an information which says that all the three individuals have 33. That means x plus y plus z is equal to 33. Say it, 33. Okay. Then in place of x, since x means y plus 6, let us substitute y plus 6 in place of x on this equation. And you can have y plus 6 plus y plus z is equal to 33. Then collect like terms, you get 2y plus z is equal to 27. And let's say this as equation 2. Now we have equation 1 and equation 2. Since we have two equations and you can solve the two equations simultaneously, y minus z is equal to 3 and y plus z is equal to 27. Then add the two together, you get 3y is equal to 30, and you get the value for y, which is equal to 10. If you get the value of y, which is equal to 10, then x means 16 and z means 7. So you get the values of x, y, and z. And on the equation, on the question, you are required to find out the share of Mr. X, and Mr. X has $60. So your answer for this question is choice D. እሺ ውድ ቤተሰቦች እንደዚህና መሰል አይነት ጥያቄዎች በየሳምንቱ በተቻለ መጠን ለማቅረብ እየተሞከረ ይገኛል በዚህ ቢክ አካዳሚ በሚለው ዩቲዩብ ቻናል ላይ። በመሆኑም የዚህ ቻናል ቤተሰብ በመሆን መማር ትችላላችሁ፣ ማወቅ ትችላላችሁ። እነዚህ አይነት የአፕቲቲዩድ ቴስት ጥያቄዎች በየትኛውም አጋጣሚ ላይ በትምህርትም ሆነ በስራ ላይ የሚመጡ ጥያቄዎች በመሆናቸው ብታውቋቸው ተጠቃሚ ትሆናላችሁ። በየትኛውም አጋጣሚ ላይ ጥሩ ተወዳዳሪና ተፎካካሪ በመሆን ፈተናዎችን በብቃት በማለፍ የምትፈልጉበት ስኬት ላይ ያደርሷችኋል የሚል እምነት አለኝ። በመሆኑም ቻናሉን ቤተሰብ በመሆን አፕቲቲዩድ ቴስት ጥያቄዎችን እንዴት እንደሚሰሩ መለማመድና ማወቅ ትችላላችሁ። ሌሎች ተማሪዎችና ስራ ፈላጊዎች ይህን ቻናል እንዳገኙት ቻናሉን በተቻለ መጠን ሼር አድርጉት፣ ለሌሎች ተማሪዎችና ስራ ፈላጊዎች እንዲደርስ ለማስተዋወቅ ሞክሩ።